an operating system that fits on a floppy disk. MenuetOS is an operating system in development for PC, written completely in 64-bit assembly language. Features include preemptive and real-time multitasking with multiprocessor support and graphical user interface. MenuetOS 64, 2005, is released under license, and MenuetOS 32, 2000, under GPL. MenuetOS supports assembly programming for much faster, smaller, and less resource-hungry applications. MenuetOS isn't based on other operating systems, nor has it roots within UNIX or the POSIX standards. The design goal has been to remove the extra layers between different parts of an OS, which normally complicate programming and create bugs. MenuetOS kernel is written in assembly, which gives speed advantages over systems written in other languages. For example, GUI with transparency is calculated in x86-64 CPU, avoiding compatibility problems with graphics cards.